Okay, what's good, y'all? Hi. This is my best friend of the whole entire world, my bestie for the resty, my sister from another mister, that bitch, Pimp C.
That was an introduction.
Right, an introduction for the generation, okay?
Wow.
But we're about to go get some food. We're waiting on Blue. We're about to go to this place called Pizza Vibes. So yeah, y'all check it out with us, but we're about to go in.
Bye.
And now we're recording. That feels good. It feels like I'm on a talk show.
You are.
It's so faded. I think I like my regular camera better though. Even though this has like good qualities, I don't really know how it's gonna look on camera. You know?
I would say like
Okay, well once we learn how to work the camera, things will be better. Late.
we live 5 minutes away.
Huh?
We live 5 minutes away.
Since the kids are out of school, me and Ken decided to get our goddaughter and his cousins and have them for the week, you know, just to spend some time with them. Okay. Okay, period. I'm gonna get a small one.
This is kind of like a small one, but
I got a tiny one. Let me see.
I don't know what's on my face.
Okay, you threw it far. Ah,
Man, what was that?
I suck. Let me see this one. Bruh, you gotta throw it flat. You just throwing it.
No, I threw it like this.
Alright, I give up. It feel good over here though. Come on, let's keep walking. So, we're swimming. It's hot as hell. I know baby not gonna want to be in the video. But I definitely think we deserve Cousin of the Year award because I have my little cousins and so does he and our goddaughter. As you can see, I'm tanning. What? You want to say hi to my vlog? I got a vlog. That's how I make a living. You want another shot? Yeah. Okay. Your hair looks nice and wavy. I look good. I look alright. I can't see. Bro. Alright. Gotta make me a little mixture. So, got some ginger ale and some tequila. About to make a whole bunch of little drinks to put in this bottle, and I'm about to take it to the pool. So, I need to redo my hair, but we are at 10 Men Social. About to go bowling with the kiddos. It's hot as fuck. We're bowling. And I'm not winning, but I'm not losing, but I'm losing. I won the last game though, so not too much on me. Okay, BJ.
Look at this.
This game is rough. Last game I won though, so yeah. You know, you know. There you go. Try to use the old favorite. Come on. Come on. Okay. 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 You got lucky. See that? Yeah, we coming back. We coming back.
I'm leaving.
Pressure's on. Pressure's on.
Look, remember
Yeah, you choke. I don't like the score right now. How is it 83? I don't like this. Let's see. Oh.